This small home is for a family of 5, and JL the homeowner reached us to make the layout work for them. His biggest challenge? Figuring out how to create a space that looked stylish, but still worked for everyday living, especially in the living area. He wanted with room for decorative shelves and smart storage. So today, you'll see how we designed JL's home using Japandi aesthetics for the living, dining, and kitchen, all without bigger spending. To fix the layout flow, we started by doing exactly that, clearly defining each area. We proposed 3 distinct but connected zones: living, dining, and kitchen, all flowing naturally into one another. We built a clean Japandi-inspired palette, neutral tones, matte white, and dark fixtures to balance warmth and contrast. The furniture selection was guided by Japandi principles: clean lines, warm wood tones, and pieces that served more than one purpose. And finally, lighting was layered throughout, from pendants over the bar to indirect lighting that keeps the mood warm and calm. Everything we chose had one goal: to make this home feel calm and clear for every single member of JL's family. This living space had to serve 5 people, cozy but not crowded. So we started from the top down, layering each element to bring in that calm Japandi feel JL was drawn to. We chose a Japandi-style woven rattan chandelier to warm up the center of the room, costing around $120 to $160 from IKEA or Etsy. For the walls, JL really wanted something that didn't feel flat. So we added a matte white panel backdrop, then brought in natural oak slatted wood panels used for a vertical accent wall and a partial partition. These run about $250 to $300, and you can find them at Wood Veneer Hub or Etsy. For furniture, we picked a $300 to $600 sectional sofa in off-white fabric paired with neutral pillows and throws. It's low to the ground, super soft, and big enough for 5. At the center is a round oak coffee table with books and greenery grounded with neutral flat weave rug. Adds warmth and keeps the space feeling soft. Another good option is this nesting coffee table for only $149. For extra comfort, we added a beige lounge chair and poof-style ottoman, perfect for adding a second seating angle, costing around $200 to $300 together from Article or West Elm. We placed the round side table styling vase with flowers. To bring height and art into the space, we hung a large framed abstract piece on the slatted wood wall. Then there's the media wall. The TV is mounted at the perfect height, and just below it we installed a floating white console shelf. Minimal, functional, and super clean. This one cost about $120 to $160. For the layered lighting, a pair of slim pendant lights and dome-shaped table lamp is perfect for the area. And right by the entry, we didn't forget the practical touches. JL asked for a spot to drop everyday stuff. So we included a low-profile storage cabinet, ideal for keys, chargers, and those little things that usually end up scattered. It costs around $180 to $250, and we styled it with minimalist decor and dried florals. To finish it off, a round backlit mirror now reflects natural light into the space. And just like that, this living area finally feels like a space that works with the family, not against them. Right next to the living space, we created a dining area with just enough detail to make it feel special for the homeowner. So that's exactly what we gave him. We keep the ceiling clean, but if you want to put a pendant light, this clean white Japandi pendant light is a better option. We started with a light wood rectangular dining table designed with soft corners. We paired it with Japandi-style dining chairs, curved wood backs, and cushioned beige seats to make everyday meals more comfortable. The whole set came in at about $450 to $600, and similar options can be found from Article or IKEA. To define the dining zone, we added a textured flat weave rug in soft gray. Softens the space visually. We kept the tabletop simple. Just a few dining accessories like ceramic plates, a neutral runner, and a small vase for everyday styling. And for the window, installed white dual-layer zebra blinds. It offers both light control and privacy. Around $650 to $850 all in. Proof that simplicity and elegance don't have to be expensive. Now onto the kitchen. This was one of JL's biggest concerns. He said, we need a full kitchen setup, but we can't have it eating up the space. So the goal is simple: fit full cooking functionality with 2 parallel zones. We started with the countertops and backsplash. A soft quartz look finish in white was used, but for the other one, we chose to add vertical rectangular tiles in a warm beige tone for backsplash. Next came the storage. We used light wood grain finishes for the lower cabinets, which gave the space warmth. Up to the top, we added matte white flat panel doors to keep it looking clean and bright. A full modular setup like this, using ready-to-install systems, runs about $1,200 to $1,600. What makes this layout work so well is the parallel zone setup. The main prep zone, complete with cooktop, sink, and storage. On the other, the coffee and cleaning station, creating a clean workflow from one end to the other. Appliances were also thoughtfully placed. A side-by-side refrigerator with a water dispenser sits between a built-in oven and microwave combo, all stacked neatly in one efficient column. Now we added floating shelves with just a few ceramic vases and glasses. The surfaces were kept clean, just the essentials. And for that soft evening glow, under-cabinet lighting was added to gently brighten the space without harsh shadows. And finally, we created a bar counter extension that featuring fluted base. Above it, we installed a custom wood shelving frame that acts as a soft divider between the kitchen and dining area. This entire feature cost about $300 to $450, depending on material and finish. To complete the look, we hung 3 rattan-style pendant lights above the bar, each one between $60 to $90 from stores like IKEA or Wayfair. And for seating, we chose curved-back bar stools in off-white, priced at $130 to $180 per piece. They're comfortable, clean-looking, and tuck in nicely when not in use. We added a few decor pieces and plants just to keep the space feeling alive, but never crowded. All in under $2,000, including cabinetry, surface materials, lighting, and accessories. So how did we make JL's small home feel well put together? It came down to a few smart design moves that anyone can apply. First, we treated shelves like architecture. From the floating shelf in the kitchen to the built-in cabinet, every storage piece was designed to feel like part of the structure. Second, we worked with ready-made furniture, but made it feel custom, with a warm wood tones, soft beige upholstery, and clean lines. Third, lighting became our quiet luxury. Layered lighting throughout, pendants, LED lights, and a lamps that gently defines the entry. In the end, every zone feels expensive because it was done with purpose. This is what modern contemporary is all about: flow, calm, and quiet confidence. If this gave you ideas for your own home, don't forget to check the description for product links you can use at home. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Want to see more home transformations like this? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.